Hi, welcome to Twib. In this video, I will show you how to assign and manage monthly targets for your employees on Twib. Go to Employees. Here you can add employees and set targets for them, and for already added employees, you can set targets for them by clicking on the Edit button. Click on the Set Target button. Provide the targets one by one. Once done completely, click on Save Details. Your target will be assigned successfully. If you want to add branch-specific monthly targets, go to Settings, then Branches. Here you can access your branches and set targets for them. Click on the Edit button, then scroll down. Click over the Set Target option. Set target for your branches for check-ins, order counts, etc. Once completed, click on Save Details. Hereby, the target will be assigned to your branches successfully. You can access the Target Analysis page. Here you can see the branch-specific report and their performance as a team over here. To see particular Target Analysis report for employees, go to Reports, then go to Target Analysis Report. Now select the employee or employees from the drop-down. Select the desired month. Now click on View Report option. Hereby you can see the target report for your employees and their performance analysis in details. You can also download the Target Analysis report in Excel by clicking on this green bar button. This is how you can assign and manage target analysis on Twib.